Hello friends, welcome to the Blockthrasher Daily Morning Update. I am actually coming to you for the second time this morning because I just recorded a 25-30 minute update without pressing record. I can't believe it. Well, I am glad to have you here. I am so thankful to have you here. If you haven't listened to the Daily Morning Update before, what it is a sort of a quick and fast overview of the market. We cover the prices. We look at the news of the day. If there's something important, something that you need to know, you're going to hear about it here. I spend a ton of time every day, every night, hours and hours, combing through the news, looking to find what is important, researching every cryptocurrency project out there to bring you the best news and analysis that you can find anywhere. Please be sure to go over to blockthrasher.com as well. This is where the written content gets posted. We go into deep dive articles. We got a deep dive coming out on Polkadot soon. It's going to be something you're going to want to read. To find out, we're going to compare Polkadot with Cardano and Ethereum and the others, right? We're going to look at the team. We're going to look at the technology. We're going to look at everything that you need to know to make an informed decision about Polkadot. Well, be sure to go to blockthrasher.com. Today, we are going to be asking a big question. Will there be a trend? Will Tesla, let's rule that back and get that out right. Will Tesla create a trend in which other companies are going to follow and put Bitcoin into their corporate treasuries, right? So I'm calling it the Tesla effect. Will the Tesla effect spread? Also, we're going to look at another company that's done the same MicroStrategy and how they're encouraging other corporations to do the same. Then we're going to look at the fact that Bitcoin is now bigger than Tesla. We're going to look at how OKX has integrated .crypto domains into their addressing system for their wallets. We're going to talk about Doge for a little bit because, of course, we can't talk about Doge. We can't not talk about Doge right now because everybody's talking about Doge. And we're also going to talk about the coin spotlight that I have for you today, which is Algorand. I think you're going to like that a lot. So let's jump over to the market and see what's happening with the cryptocurrency prices. Just wanted to check, make sure I was recording again. I can't believe I did that. Can you believe I did that? I'm just 20. Gotta make sure you press record, right? Anyway, looking at the market capitalization, the total market capitalization is $1.34 trillion. Yes! Looking good. Man, it's been an incredible month and incredible last couple of days for sure. Just the other day, I remember this being $1.12 trillion and we're at $1.34 trillion now. Volume for the total market is $282.12 billion and things are looking good. We've got a winner over here of BitTorrent up 143.43% in the last 24 hours, and Binance Coin's been killing it. But let's just jump right into the top 10 coins and see where they sit. Bitcoin currently $45,813. That is up 4.87% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin did reach an all-time high overnight, close to, it might have even broke $48,000. Can I get a booyah? Yeah, looking good, Bitcoin. Ethereum also breaking all-time highs. It was up near $1,800. Right now, currently, $1,734.82 with a market cap of $198 billion. It is up 2.45%. Oh, backing up just a little bit. Dominance. Bitcoin dominance is right now 63.5%. So that's up just slightly. I mean, Bitcoin had a killer day yesterday. It was up 20%. And so it captured some more dominance. Ethereum was sitting at 16% a couple of days ago, and now it's right at 14.8%. All right, moving forward. Cardano still in number 4, at number 4 in terms of capitalization at $21.10 billion total market cap for Cardano. I'm loving it. It is currently 68 cents, and it is just holding steady. It's just sort of sitting there, trying to fight off Polkadot and XRP, stay number 4. Come on. Actually, it's interesting because typically what happens is when you see Bitcoin go up 20%, the next day a lot of the altcoins will go up. Sometimes when Bitcoin's going up like that, the altcoins will go down. But anyway, we'll see what happens this time around and see if that pattern sort of holds up. XRP is up 7.7% at 45 cents. Polkadot coming in at number 6, right below XRP at $22.90, up 6.3%. Binance Coin has been on a tear. It has been killing it. It is up 36.3% in the last 24 hours to $97.98. And this, that makes a lot of sense actually to me. I I sort of for a long time was iffy about Binance Coin, but man, as the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange and all the things that they're doing with their Binance Smart Chain and some more that I could go into, it's a strong project, and I'm not surprised to see it at number 7. Litecoin at number 8, $166.51, up 3%. Dogecoin has sort of been on pause for the last 2-3 days. It was trying to break the 8-cent barrier. When I first recorded the first video that nobody will ever get to see because I didn't actually record it, I just talked to myself into the microphone and the camera. Anyway, it did break the 8 cents barrier. It is sitting right at 8 cents, up 1.8% in the last 24 hours, and coming in, rolling into the bottom of the top 10 at number 10 is Chainlink, $25.27, up 1.89% in the last 24 hours. So overall, the market is just sort of like slightly up today, with a couple outliers, a couple winners really, hitting it there. That would be in particular BNB. Let's look at some of the winners and losers today. I'm just going to refresh CoinMarketCap here and sort by that so we can see what is going on in the last 24 hours in terms of winners and losers. So, number 1 winner is BitTorrent. Obviously, there's been a lot of push on the social media for people that were kind of on the Dogecoin, FOMO, meme craze thing or whatever. I've seen a lot of posts out there like BitTorrent's the next one to pump. Get in on BitTorrent, so that might be part of what is going on with the BitTorrent coin. Of course, we can look at Bitcoin in a little bit more depth later on, but if I recall with BitTorrent, it is recently been, I don't know if taken over is the right word, but Justin Sun is heavily influential. Justin Sun of Tron with BitTorrent. And I need to go look at that again because there is a story there, and I'm just not fresh on it right now. Anyway, some other winners are Terra Luna, which is up 69.5% last 24 hours. Pancake Swap, 39.47, and then Binance Coin, as I mentioned, up 35.90. What are the daily losers? Let's take a look and see if anybody's getting... Voyager token is down 11.4%, and Aave, which is a really solid project that's been up 68.5% in the last 7 days, is down 5.63% currently last 24 hours. Actually, Aave has been going down a little bit for the last couple of days, it seems like. So that might be one to keep an eye on and to watch. There might be a buying opportunity there. The graph is also down 6.23%, but nothing is really down in any significant or substantive way. All right, moving on to the stories of the day. That covers the market overview. Let's talk about this Tesla effect. So Tesla could set precedent and lead a rally of other corporations following suit to put Bitcoin within their treasury. Bitcoin's bull run may be set to intensify as the market anticipates a pickup in corporate demand prodded on by Tesla's major investment in the cryptocurrency. One analyst says prices can fly very high. I expect other heavyweights to follow suit. On Monday, the electric car manufacturer disclosed its $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin and signaled openness to acquire more digital assets. Interesting. Will Dogecoin be part of those digital assets? If so, that would be very good for Dogecoin. I sort of doubt it, but for the sake of all those who've come into Dogecoin, especially the new people to the cryptocurrency space, don't know much about it or how to research these projects, I would actually love to see them benefit and do well from it. But this is a good thing. If Tesla adds other digital assets to their treasury, smart and good for the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin saw a record single-day move in dollar terms on Monday, rising by over 8,000 to levels above 4,600 and roaring to fresh lifetime highs above 48,000. Now, one thing that's interesting is a lot of the current run-up in the market is being attributed to this announcement coming out that Tesla had put 1.5 billion into the treasury of Bitcoin, but the market was already in a very significant bull run. And so, who's to say? It is good news, and I'm sure it had some impact. To what extent? I'm not quite sure. Who knows, right? There are several companies that have done, but Tesla was not the first. MicroStrategy is another company that has actually adopted Bitcoin as a treasury asset in recent months. And I do want to just introduce you, if you're not already familiar with MicroStrategy and its CEO, Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor is one of the most articulate advocates. I mean, he's a brilliant guy who leads an exceptionally successful company, not Tesla level, but MicroStrategy is a formidable company. He was sort of a pioneer in this whole concept of let's put Bitcoin into our treasury, and he's encouraging other corporations to do the same. He has a lot of content out on the internet, on YouTube, etc., and I recommend that you go check him out and look into some of his videos. He's one of the, like I said, most articulate advocates of Bitcoin, and he just explains very well why it is, in his view, the most sound money, and that is why it would be something that corporations would want to include within their treasury. So check him out, MicroStrategy. This is an interesting news item. It states that Bitcoin is now bigger than Tesla. So, sort of ironically, as Tesla adds $1.5 billion to its treasury, this in turn causes the market cap of Bitcoin to actually surpass that of Tesla's. And Bitcoin has now, today it's down a bit, but when it was at 47,000, 48,000, in the 7th spot in terms of market capitalization. That in and of itself is a big story. But Bitcoin is not the only asset mentioned here. Ethereum has actually now entered into the top 50. Asset Dash data displays the top 100 assets by market capitalization, and Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency representative in that list of 100 top assets. The second largest digital currency, Ethereum, has also been a member of this coveted ranking since its market cap broke above 100 billion in late 2020. Furthermore, Ethereum has only intensified its rise since then, and after the latest run in which Ethereum topped 1800 for a new all-time high of its own, its market cap has surged to north of $200 billion. Yeah, so this is great. This is good news. More evidence that cryptocurrencies are breaking into traditional markets and are seeing mass adoption, or heading in that direction anyway. Okay, on to the next story. OKX is integrating .crypto domain-based addresses into their exchange platform and can, into the use of their wallets. So if you're not familiar with what the .crypto or unstoppable domains are, this is their site. You can go visit them at unstoppabledomains.com. What they do is, instead of having to use the long, hard to remember 16 plus digit address with that, you can use a simple domain name like, address. So I have one. It's blockthrasher.crypto. If you want to send me some Bitcoin or Ethereum or Cardano or whatever to say thanks, and you use one of the popular wallets or exchanges that has now integrated this, and there's a lot of them that have. An OKCoin is simply the latest. Light Wallet has it. Trust Wallet has it. MyEther Wallet has it. You can click on Show More and see more. Atomic Wallet's a great wallet for both mobile and desktop. In any of these wallets, you can send from user to user with a domain name like blockthrasher.crypto. It's fantastic. And so if you are an individual and you want to grab your name, .crypto, or if you own a business, the cool thing about how Unstoppable Domains works is that it's a one-time purchase. For $40, you can secure your domain and it's yours for life. So I did that. I got, as I told you, blockthrasher.crypto and a couple others like my name.crypto. And, I have a business that does graphic design, so I got emblem.crypto. So this is just something that you might want to look into and you might want to consider doing. If this becomes sort of a protocol within the industry that's regularly used, you'll want to secure that in advance. And I'll put a link in the description. It's a referral link. If you use it, I think I do get a little bit of something, and I would appreciate you doing that as well. So that's the that's the unstoppable domain story that I wanted to bring to you. On to the Doge story. Now, we cannot not talk about Doge because everybody's talking about Doge. And today, the story is Mark Cuban calls Dogecoin the best entertainment bang for your buck. The best entertainment bang for your buck. This is interesting. He says that he bought Doge for his son, and I can't help but think that Mark Cuban, being the brilliant billionaire, investor that he is, isn't sending a little bit of a signal here. Now, I could be wrong, but this is my theory. He says, "Oh yeah, Dogecoin. It's the best bang for your buck. It's fun. It's entertainment. I bought some for my son, but I buy myself Bitcoin." With Tesla, with Elon Musk, similar, talking about Dogecoin, putting out the tweets. No confirmation that Musk has a single Dogecoin. He may not. But he is buying Bitcoin, and Tesla is putting Bitcoin into their treasury. Anyway, just a side note, something fun. I just wanted to talk about it. So do with that as you will. Moving on to the coin spotlight of the day, we've got a good one. As I said in the beginning, every day I'm going to introduce you to a new coin. Maybe you've heard about it, maybe you haven't. But this one, I think, has a lot of potential. Really like this project. It's called Algorand. Right now it's sitting at 99 cents. The number one thing that I like about this project is the founder, Silvio Micali. Now, Silvio Micali is an Italian computer scientist at MIT Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. He's a professor there. He's a professor at MIT. In MIT's Department of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, he's been a professor since 1983. And if you scroll down here and look at his awards and honors, he won the Gödel Prize in 1993. He received the RSA Award for Excellence in Mathematics in 2004, and a whole bunch of others, which I'm not going to go through. I think you get the point. What he's best known for is his early work on public key crypto systems, pseudo-random functions, digital signatures, oblivious transfer, secure multi-party computation, zero-knowledge proofs. He's legit. He's got the background. He's got the knowledge. He's one of the world's foremost computer science experts and professor at MIT. So, right off the bat, like it. Like the team. Like the founder. Also, what first got me really interested in Algorand, even though I've been sort of looking at it and paying attention to it for a while, was when Charles Hoskinson, the founder and CEO of IOHK, the creator of Cardano, said that Algorand's doing things right. So when you have a competing project say that about another project, I think it's a good thing, and I highly respect what Hoskinson has to say. So what is Algorand? Algorand is a scalable, secure, and decentralized digital currency and transaction platform. Founded by Turing Award winner and MIT professor Silvio Micali, Algorand is a permissionless proof-of-stake blockchain protocol. Algorand has a maximum supply of 10 billion coins. The first block, Genesis block, started on June 11th of 2019. It is a permissionless proof-of-stake system with a fixed supply with pre-minted rewards. It has sub 5-second block time. So Algorand's primary focus is on developers and their needs. They have a very scalable, high throughput system with 10,000 transactions per second currently, a block size of 5,000 transactions per block, and a block finalization time of 4.5 seconds. However, in the future, as they begin to leverage their innovative pipeline, and as they begin to ramp things up and grow and scale, the capacity and speed of Algorand, similar to Cardano, will actually increase to 46,000 transactions per second, which is incredible. 25,000 transactions per block and a finalization time of 2.5 seconds. So kind of summarize this all and wrap this up. What Algorand is there's a competitor to the Cardanos and the Polkadots and Ethereum, and it is a third generation smart contract decentralized app platform, just like Cardano and Polkadot. Obviously, I would say it's sort of an underdog. Just because Cardano and Polkadot Their founders are former co-founders of Ethereum, so they've got that name recognition. They've got bigger organizations behind them, better money markets. But Algorand is a very, very solid product that fits right into that same category, and it's one to watch. It might be that if you're a developer, this is how I always think of this entire space: is I'm a developer and I want to decide what platform I want to build my smart contract or decentralized app on. Do I go with Ethereum? Probably not. Ethereum is bloated, its transaction speeds are too slow, its smart contracts, the coins are smart contracts rather than being on-chain like with Cardano, which has native assets, or rather than, Polkadot has side chains, as does Cardano. But with Ethereum, the fees are going to be too high for my users, and there's just all kinds of problems, right? So I'm gonna pass on Ethereum. Then I'm going to look at Polkadot. I'm going to look at Cardano. Polkadot might be the route to go. Although Polkadot, if I want to finalize my blocks onto the relay chain, you have to pay. So there's fees. To connect your side chain to the main Polkadot relay chain there's an auction type system. That might make it difficult for some projects that are smaller that don't have the capital to do that. Cardano, that's not going to be an issue. Lots of positive things about Cardano. But I would be watching. I might end up going with Algorand for different reasons, and I would have to research it, and I'd have to think through that. But I think Algorand would probably be on the list for sure as a developer of what platform I might want to use to create my app. This is the Algorand webpage. Algorand webpage. You can check that out at algorand.com. And that covers it for the coin spotlight of the day. Algorand, check it out. All right, friends, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you. I really, really thank you for being part of my audience and giving me some of your time. Come back every day for the best news, update, analysis, anywhere. Remember to check out the website, blockthrasher.com. Please, I ask of you to help me grow this. Subscribe, hit the like button. Have a great day, and remember, it's a great, great day to earn more crypto. Thank you, friends. Talk to you soon.